Hi, this is Pronunciation Meg, and in this lesson I'd really like to show you how to pronounce the sound. Now probably you're thinking, I know how to pronounce the sound, because it exists in most languages. But maybe in your language it doesn't exist in the syllable-final position. That is, the position at the end of a syllable. So, the word common, you might be saying like cannon. Or sandwich, you might say in the reverse way, samwich. We're going to work on the M sound in the syllable final position. And because N and are acoustically very close, usually listeners look for the movement of the lips. Rather, they read your lips to distinguish the sound. So make sure as you go through this that you have a mirror in your hand, and as you pause, read, and say the word, look into the mirror, make sure your lips are coming together when you say the M in the middle of the word. Alright? Word contrasts. Canon, common. Content, Compton. Tawny, Tommy. Something, something. Caning, gaming. Channel, camel. Contain, complain. Denver, timber. Screening, screaming. Somebody, somebody. Now let's do some training words. Amethyst, flamethrower, methamphetamines, chemotherapy, overambition, competitiveness, godmother, stepmother, amphibian, camcorder, framework, lampshade, amplify, amnesia, shameless, communicative, airmail, germicide, warmness, tourmaline, aftermarket, affirmation, filmgoers, dogmatic, camaraderie, Amtrak, circumvention, Humvees, asymptotes. Now training sentences. Angie competed in the flame-throwing event. Amethyst and tourmaline are precious gems. The aftermarket shares amplified the profits. You need to be more communicative at work. Methamphetamines are shamelessly used here. We took the Amtrak train to my hometown. Renting movies helps filmgoers circumvent fees. His overambition made him seem dogmatic. Does it confirm humans came from amphibians? The camcorder came undone. I dreamed of this framework. Is somebody screaming? The palmettos came out. Humvees are really Hummers. Amy Compton has amnesia. I like the campfire's warmth. Send them by airmail. Ann Leno had chemotherapy. Can we complete the project? Now I have a tongue twister. Kimberly told Kimberly told them somebody said something about humans coming from amphibians. One more time. Kimberly told them somebody said something about humans coming from amphibians. Kimberly told them something said something about humans coming from amphibians. Kimberly told them somebody said something about humans coming from amphibians. You can say it a little faster. But anyway, it just helps you practice the sound.